Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a medium twist. We'll start by preparing your hair properly. First, make sure your hair is clean, detangled, and slightly damp. This provides the best foundation for your twists. Next, divide your hair into 4 to 6 manageable sections. Applying a good leave-in conditioner or styling cream will add moisture and make the twisting process much smoother. This preparation is key for beautiful, lasting results. Now, let's get into the twisting action. From one of your main sections, take a small, even subsection of hair. The size of this subsection determines the thickness of your twist. Divide this small piece into 2 equal strands. Begin twisting these 2 strands around each other, starting firmly at the root and continuing all the way down to the very end. Remember to keep consistent tension for a neat and uniform look. Once you've twisted a section, it's time to secure it. Use a small, clear elastic band to fasten the end of each twist. Make sure the ends are neatly tucked or coiled to prevent unraveling and give a polished finish. Continue this process, working through all the remaining sections of your hair until every strand is twisted. For extra hold and shine, you might want to apply a light setting spray. To keep your medium twists looking fresh, proper maintenance is essential. Regularly moisturize your scalp and the twists themselves to prevent dryness and maintain hair health. At night, always cover your hair with a satin bonnet or scarf to protect your style and reduce frizz. Try to avoid over-manipulating your twists, as this can cause them to unravel. With good care, your beautiful medium twists can last for 1 to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.